こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか? Hello, how are you? Well, we are going to continue also today E 形容詞 adjective E like a number 9 of adjective videos, but this is also the 35 of the grammar videos, and as a vocabulary this is 24. But today's theme is about kanjo. Kanjo, this is our feelings. Feeling, this is kanjo. So it's going to be very interesting. The first word is 嬉しい。嬉しい。I'm glad. I'm so happy. 嬉しい。嬉しい。And this kanji is like this. The first part is this one is like a woman. Woman. 女。And here, it's como 喜び. It's like happiness. And here, 1, 2, 3, the third line is shorter than the first one. And only this one is like samurai or the men. And here now, like ro from the katakana. And this is like kuchi. And 1, 2, 3, again and again. Kuchi, the mouth. Or ro from katakana. And this all together, ure, then she, ureshi. I'm glad. I'm glad. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm glad. Or I'm happy. This is ureshi. Or I'm so pleased. And this is E adjective. So if I want to say about the past tense, E is going to be the katta. 嬉しかったです。嬉しかったです。I was glad. As this is an adjective, we can use just before the noun. For example, 嬉しい news. 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 This is news. So, 嬉しい news. The news that makes me happy. That makes me so happy. 嬉しい news. Or 嬉しい手紙。手紙 this is a letter. So the letter that makes me very happy. Also 嬉しいメッセージ。The message that makes me happy. Like 嬉しいプレゼント。Or 嬉しいコメント。嬉しいコメントをください。嬉しい。楽しい。楽しい。This is the kanji from tano, and we can also pronounce gaku. For example, 音楽 this is music. 音楽 And here we pronounce tano. 楽しい。楽しい it means fun, joyful, pleasant. 楽しい。So if I say 楽しいです。I'm having fun. 楽しいです。And if I say in the past tense, 楽しかった。Because this is 楽しかったです。楽しかったです。It means I had a good time. I had a good time. ドラえもんは楽しい漫画です。ドラえもんはとても楽しい漫画です。悲しい。悲しい。sad 悲しい。Then I can say 悲しいです。I'm sad. Or in the past tense 悲しかったです。I was sad. 悲しかったです。And I can say 悲しくないです。悲しくないです。I'm not sad. 悲しくないです。And 悲しくなかったです。悲しくなかったです。悲しくなかったです。I wasn't sad. 悲しくなかったです。And this 悲しい with the noun. 悲しい news. Sad news. 悲しい news. Or 悲しい映画。Well, 映画 this is movie or the film. 悲しい映画 sad movie sad film. And 映画館 altogether, this 館 this is the place. So 映画館 this is the movie theater. 映画館 movie theater. But only 映画 this is the movie. So 悲しい映画 sad movie or sad film. 蛍の墓蛍の墓はとても悲しいアニメです。蛍の墓はとても悲しいアニメです。怖い怖い怖い怖い it means frightening, scary, creepy. So if I say 怖いです怖い怖い怖いです I'm scared. And if I say 怖かったです怖かったです I was scared. 怖かったです Oh, I was scared. 怖くない怖くないです怖くないです I'm not scared. 怖くないです Oh, it's not scaring. 怖くないです怖くなかったです。怖くなかったです。I wasn't scared. I was not scared. Or, it wasn't creepy. It wasn't scary. 怖くなかったです。Now, 怖い with the noun. For example, 怖い映画 scary movie. 怖い映画 scary movie. Or, 怖いお話怖いお話 scary tale scary tale and tale you can say also 物語怖い物語 this is also the tale 怖い物語これは怖い絵本ですこれは怖い絵本ですお化けは怖い。Today we learned 4 types of kanjo feelings. That was 嬉しい嬉しい、楽しい楽しい and 悲しい悲しい and 怖い怖い Do you remember? Well, now is the quiz time. So as usual, this is going to be the 10 questions. And the first 5 is going to be the dictation. So you must write in hiragana, kanji, and katakana. And this dictation is also at the same time is the question. So you must answer these questions in your own answer. Okay? And from 6 to 10, this is going to be the translation into Japanese. So I'm going to tell you in English, you translate them into Japanese. So let's get started. 1番目津波は怖いですか津波は怖いですか津波津波は怖いですか津波は怖いですか2番目クリスマスパーティーは楽しいですかつまらないですかクリスマスパーティーは楽しいですかつまらないですかクリスマスパーティークリスマスパーティーは楽しいですか楽しいですかつまらない ですか？つまらないですか？クリスマスパーティーは楽しいですか？つまらないですか？3番目。この漫画は難しくて怖いですか？この漫画は難しくて怖いですか？この漫画は難しくて怖いですか？怖いですか？この漫画は難しくて怖いですか？4番目。友達が遠いところへ行きます。あなたは嬉しいですか？友達が遠いところへ行きます。友達が遠いところへ行きます。あなたは嬉しいですか？あなたは嬉しいですか？友達が遠いところへ行きます。あなたは嬉しいですか？5番目。あなたは猫。あなたは猫が怖いですか？あなたは猫が怖いですか？あなたは猫が怖いですか？あなたは猫が怖いですか？ Now the translation into Japanese. Well, translation is very difficult, and sometimes what I say in English is a little bit different way because it sounds more natural. But anyway, the way you must write in Japanese is with the words that I taught you today about these fitting words. And also there are some more adjective, but I already taught you in the previous videos. So everything, I think you can understand them. I think you know them all. Well, 6番目 Number 6. This is a scary and famous movie. This is a scary and famous movie. 7番目 The 7th. I watched a very sad news on TV. I watched a very sad news on TV. 8番目 8th. My friend gave me a letter that made me so glad. My friend gave me a letter that made me so glad. So this one is a little bit, I told you like this in English, but in Japanese, like what I taught you in this video. So it's a little bit different way. Okay? My friend gave me a letter. That made me so glad. 9. 9番目 Birthday party was lively and awesome. Birthday party was lively and awesome. 10番目 The park was very dark and a little scary. The park was very dark and a little scary. How was this video today? Was it difficult? Anyway, I think it was quite difficult, this quiz, but there is an answer in the description below. If it's necessary for you to see these answers, you can see them. And if you liked this video, please give me like. That makes me very happy. とても嬉しいです。とても嬉しいです。コメントもとても嬉しいです。Your commentary also makes me very happy. And if you share my videos with your friends or your family and companies, that will help me a lot. Please. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please do it so that you can receive all of my videos. 今日もここまで見てくださってどうもありがとうございます。ぜひチャンネル登録といいねボタン、そして私のビデオをお友達とシェアしていただけたらとても助かります。お願いいたします。ではまた会いましょう。じゃあね。バイバイ。